Ukraine's drone army works hard to take out Russian equipment, with even longer range Russian systems being under constant threat from Ukraine's drone army, with surveillance drones scouting near the front line to send back the position for most commonly Hydra GMLRS strike or FPV drone strikes. But while the FPV drone can often be used against Russia's artillery, like this Tu-S19 Msta-S, the result of the strike can vary a lot. Sometimes the system is empty, causing several drones to destroy internal parts with its warheads. But sometimes when loaded with ammunition, the result is a bit more explosive, taking out the system and ammunition in one swoop, leaving less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.